Absolute heaven. First of all, you start off with a company that's basically kept up with the S&P. Nobody else has. And over the last week or so, it's actually even held in there. Dom was showing us the chart there. Jamie Dimon is as good as it gets. This is a company that had record profits last quarter. And if you look at their earnings and their revenue growth, it's still very strong. I think this thing is the greatest. I own the stock. I think it's in heaven.
Are you working?
Well, Inferno. And I actually have a very good reason, because I actually think one of the best pair trades in the market could be long JP Morgan, short Wells Fargo, because I think you don't want this. Someone that obviously has regulatory scrutiny, a lot of it. They've had no shortage of scandals. But when you think about consumer lending, you think about some of the things that are going on that, like, cyclically could be going on in our economy. These guys are very exposed. So loan growth, auto loans, that sort of thing. I want to stay away from this one. It's down 12% in the year, down 20% from its 52-week highs. They report Friday morning. I think you can wait. I think you want to take a shot if it can hold 50.
Remember the song remember Tavares?
Yes.
That's Frank Tavares.
Heaven must be missing an angel.
Heaven must be missing an angel.
How
Maybe
good
the
is
angel
that?
they're missing is PNC Financial. Thank you for the angel wings there. And listen, are they rich on valuation? 1.5 times price to book. So Dan would say, yeah, this is a little expensive. But 9.5, 10 times EPS growth, trades around 10.5 times forward earnings. They're going to file to be able to buy back some more stock, significantly lower than the all-time high it made earlier this year. Held 137.5, which was the low we saw in the spring.
It's absolutely heaven. This balance sheet is heaven. This capital return program is heaven. These guys have never given more capital back to investors. And the valuation at this point is at the bottom of a historical range. So, all right, the things I just talked about that I'm worried about with JP Morgan, I'm worried about for all the money center banks. But I can stay in here. This is a heavenly time to be a Bank of America investor, because they're actually paying me to hold the stock, and the valuation is very, very cheap.